how do I find out how much a keyword is likely to cost in Amazon ads? Very easy to find it out. So you're going to create a list of 5 to 10 keywords that you believe are highly relevant to the product that you are selling. Here, for example, I have this Blistex medicated mint balm in front of me, right? And I love to use products that are in front of me. So here, for example, you would find all 5 to 10 keywords that are highly relevant for this lip balm. Lip balm is one of them. It's broader, but it is still one of them. A medicated lip balm, again. Some of them are medicated, others are not so medicated. Could be Blistex is the keyword for the brand, so it's the brand name. What else does it has? How else would I? Lip protectant, sunscreen. So lip protectant, for example, it can be one of the keywords. Another one could be lip balm with sunscreen. Again, one more keyword. So those would be highly relevant for this product. For example, once that you have those, you would go on Amazon, you would create a campaign, and literally you would not look at the Amazon suggested bids, but rather the way how we like to do it, especially when it comes down to product launch and we need to get as quick data as possible, we would bump up that price, the bid suggested by Amazon by even like double, just to make sure that our product is going to be seen. If it's a $2 CPC, the keyword lip protectant, we are going to bid for it, for example, and then in a few hours, we're going to go and check back data. The data came in. Do we at least get clicks? Because then we know that at least it would cost us, or anything that's maybe below, because $4 is the maximum. So that is a good way for you to check out how much would those keywords cost. And then a second thing, what is also important is that the placement, where do you want to show up? Because you can show up on top of search. And usually when it comes down to product launches, we do want to show up on top of search. And for those keywords, probably it's going to be way more expensive. So then you will think, okay, out of these 5 keywords or 10 keywords, let's stick with 5 for now. Out of these 5 keywords, maybe I have one keyword that's really well performing and it's cheap and it's also making sales. Then we would advertise more for that. So we would increase the budget for that. But that would be the strategy. And again, how can you find it out? To be frank with you, there are so many forecast tools out there that this is how much it's going to cost, the cost per click. You never know what much or how much is going to be costing you the click until you advertise, So I know that we are trying to be as efficient as possible, but this is our way to be efficient.